I think I got it nung time na hindi pa sobrang taas ng prices ng Chanel. Loving this bag so much just because sobrang effortless type of bag niya na hindi mo siya iisip.
Because of the family again.